Welcome. In this video, we'll explore how to create an effective weekly planning routine that helps you stay organized, focused, and productive. Whether you're a student, a professional, or managing a busy household, having a structured plan for your week can make a world of difference. We'll break down the process step by step, from setting clear goals to reviewing your progress. By the end, you'll have a practical system you can use every week to reduce stress and achieve more. Let's dive in and discover how a weekly planning routine can transform your days and help you make the most of your time. You might wonder, why plan weekly instead of daily or monthly? Weekly planning strikes the perfect balance. It's long enough to see progress on bigger goals, but short enough to adjust quickly if things change. By planning your week, you can prioritize what matters most, allocate your time wisely, and avoid last-minute rushes. This routine also helps you spot potential conflicts and prepare for busy days in advance. With a weekly overview, you'll feel more in control and less overwhelmed, setting a positive tone for the days ahead. The first step in building a weekly planning routine is choosing the right tools. Some people prefer digital calendars or planning apps, while others love the feel of pen and paper. There's no right or wrong choice. What matters is what works best for you. Consider using a planner, a notebook, or even sticky notes for quick reminders. Digital tools like Google Calendar or Trello can help if you like setting reminders and syncing across devices. Pick a tool that feels intuitive and easy to update, so you'll stick with your routine week after week. Consistency is crucial for any routine. Decide on a specific time each week to plan. Sunday evenings or Monday mornings are popular choices. This dedicated slot helps you reflect on the past week and prepare for the upcoming one. Treat it like an important appointment with yourself. By making weekly planning a habit, you'll find it easier to stay on track and less likely to forget important tasks. Over time, this regular check-in becomes a natural part of your schedule, setting you up for a successful week ahead. Before you start planning the new week, take a few minutes to reflect on the previous one. What went well? What challenges did you face? Did you accomplish your main goals? This reflection helps you learn from your experiences and make adjustments. Maybe you underestimated how long a task would take, or perhaps you discovered a new strategy that worked. By reviewing your week, you can celebrate your wins and identify areas for improvement, making your next plan even more effective. Now, set clear and realistic goals for the upcoming week. These could be work-related, personal, or a mix of both. Try to focus on a few key objectives rather than overwhelming yourself with too many tasks. Ask yourself, what are the most important things I want to accomplish? Setting specific, measurable goals gives you direction and motivation. Write them down in your planner or app so you can refer back to them throughout the week and track your progress. Big projects can feel overwhelming if you look at them as a whole. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps that you can spread throughout the week. For example, if you need to write a report, set mini tasks like research, outlining, drafting, and editing. This approach makes large goals less intimidating and helps you make steady progress. Plus, checking off smaller tasks gives you a sense of accomplishment and keeps you motivated. Not all tasks are equally important. After listing your tasks, prioritize them. Identify which ones are urgent and which are most important for your goals. You can use methods like the Eisenhower matrix or simply mark your top 3 priorities for the week. Focusing on high-impact tasks ensures you make meaningful progress, even if you can't complete everything. Remember, it's better to do a few important things well than to spread yourself too thin. Start filling in your weekly plan by blocking out time for fixed commitments, things like work hours, classes, meetings, or appointments. These are non-negotiable and form the backbone of your schedule. By putting these in first, you can see how much free time you have left for other tasks and activities. This step helps you avoid double booking and ensures you don't overlook important obligations. Once your fixed commitments are in place, schedule time for your most important tasks. Assign specific blocks for focused work, study, or personal projects. Try to match tasks with the times of day when you're most productive. For example, if you're a morning person, tackle challenging work early. By giving your key tasks dedicated time slots, you increase the chances of actually completing them. A good weekly plan isn't just about work. Make sure to include breaks, meals, and downtime for relaxation or hobbies. Scheduling these moments helps you recharge and prevents burnout. Even short breaks between tasks can boost your energy and focus. Remember, productivity isn't about being busy all the time. It's about working smarter and taking care of yourself. Life is unpredictable, and plans sometimes change. Build flexibility into your weekly routine by leaving some open slots or buffer time. This way, if something urgent comes up or a task takes longer than expected, you won't feel thrown off. Being adaptable helps you handle surprises calmly and keeps your week on track, even when things don't go as planned. Even with a solid weekly plan, it's helpful to review your schedule each day. Take a few minutes in the morning or evening to check your progress and make adjustments. Maybe a meeting got rescheduled, or you finished a task early. Daily check-ins help you stay flexible and ensure your plan stays relevant as the week unfolds. Visual aids like color coding, stickers, or charts can make your weekly plan more engaging and easier to follow. Assign different colors to work, personal, and family tasks, or use symbols to highlight priorities. Visual cues help you quickly see what's coming up and keep your plan organized. Plus, they add a bit of fun to your routine. Tracking your progress throughout the week keeps you motivated and accountable. Check off completed tasks and note any that need to be moved or rescheduled. Seeing your accomplishments builds momentum and helps you stay focused on your goals. If you fall behind, don't worry, just adjust your plan and keep moving forward. Don't forget to celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Finished a tough project? Completed all your workouts? Take a moment to acknowledge your effort. Celebrating wins boosts your motivation and makes planning feel rewarding. It's a great way to build positive habits and look forward to your weekly planning sessions. It's normal for some tasks to spill over into the next week. Instead of feeling discouraged, review why they weren't completed. Was the task too big? Or did something unexpected come up? Move unfinished items to your next plan and consider breaking them into smaller steps. This approach keeps you moving forward without feeling overwhelmed. If you share responsibilities with family, friends, or coworkers, involve them in your planning process. Discuss schedules, delegate tasks, and coordinate commitments. Collaboration helps avoid conflicts and ensures everyone is on the same page. Plus, working together can make planning more enjoyable and effective. Reminders and alerts are great tools to help you stick to your plan. Set alarms for important tasks, deadlines, or meetings. Digital planners and apps often have built-in notification features. These gentle nudges keep you on track and reduce the risk of forgetting something important during a busy week. Out of sight, out of mind. Keep your weekly plan somewhere visible on your desk, fridge, or as your phone's wallpaper. This constant reminder helps you stay focused and makes it easy to check your schedule at a glance. The more you see your plan, the more likely you are to follow through with it. It's easy to get ambitious and overload your weekly plan. Remember to be realistic about what you can accomplish. Leave room for rest and unexpected events. If you don't finish everything, be kind to yourself. Planning is about progress, not perfection. Adjust your expectations as needed and celebrate the effort you put in. A weekly plan is a great place to build healthy habits. Schedule time for exercise, meal prep, or mindfulness practices. By making these activities part of your routine, you're more likely to stick with them. Over time, small, healthy habits add up to big, positive changes in your life. A well-rounded weekly plan includes both work and personal time. Make sure you're not neglecting family, friends, or hobbies. Schedule social activities, creative projects, or quiet time for yourself. Striking a balance helps you stay energized and prevents burnout, making your routine sustainable in the long run. Don't forget to include opportunities for learning and personal growth in your weekly plan. Set aside time to read, take an online course, or practice a new skill. Continuous learning keeps you engaged and helps you reach your long-term goals. Even small steps each week can lead to significant progress over time. Templates can save you time and make planning easier. Create a reusable weekly layout with sections for goals, tasks, appointments, and notes. You can use printable templates, digital planners, or even design your own. Having a consistent format streamlines your routine and ensures you don't forget important details each week. Throughout the week, jot down ideas, notes, or reminders as they come up. Keep a section in your planner or a digital note app for these thoughts. This habit helps you capture inspiration and important information without interrupting your flow. At the end of the week, review your notes and see what you want to carry forward. Everyone has different times of day when they feel most energetic or focused. Pay attention to your natural rhythms and schedule demanding tasks during your peak times. Use slower periods for lighter work or breaks. Aligning your plan with your energy helps you work more efficiently and feel less drained. Multitasking can make you feel busy, but it often reduces productivity. Try to focus on one task at a time in your weekly plan. Group similar tasks together and block out time for deep work. This approach helps you complete tasks faster and with better quality, making your week more productive overall. No matter how well you plan, unexpected events can pop up. Build some flexibility into your schedule for emergencies or last-minute changes. If something disrupts your plan, don't stress, just adjust and move forward. Being prepared for surprises helps you stay calm and resilient throughout the week. Every few weeks, take time to evaluate your planning system. Is it helping you achieve your goals? Are there steps you can simplify or improve? Experiment with new tools or techniques if needed. Regular evaluation ensures your routine stays effective and adapts to your changing needs. Keep your motivation high by seeking inspiration. Follow productivity blogs, watch videos, or join planning communities. Surrounding yourself with positive influences can spark new ideas and keep you excited about your weekly routine. Inspiration helps you overcome slumps and keeps your planning fresh. Sharing your weekly planning routine with others can boost your accountability and provide fresh perspectives. Talk about your process with friends, family, or coworkers. You might pick up helpful tips or inspire someone else to start planning. Collaboration and support make routines more enjoyable and sustainable. A planning routine doesn't have to be complicated. Start with the basics and add more details as you get comfortable. Simplicity makes it easier to stick with your routine and reduces the risk of feeling overwhelmed. Remember, the best plan is the one you actually use consistently. Consistency is the secret to making your weekly planning routine work. Even if you miss a week or two, get back on track as soon as you can. The more regularly you plan, the easier it becomes. Over time, your routine will feel natural and help you achieve more with less stress. As your life changes, your planning routine should evolve too. New jobs, family situations, or goals may require you to tweak your system. Stay open to change and don't be afraid to experiment. Flexibility ensures your routine stays relevant and continues to support your success. Turn your weekly planning session into something you look forward to. Play your favorite music, enjoy a cup of coffee, or use colorful pens and stickers. Making the process enjoyable increases the chances you'll stick with it. When planning feels like a treat, it becomes a positive part of your routine. Sometimes you might feel stuck or unmotivated to plan. If that happens, start small. Just jot down your top 3 priorities for the week. Remind yourself of the benefits, and don't aim for perfection. Over time, these small steps will help you overcome resistance and make planning a natural habit. Checklists are a powerful tool in weekly planning. List your tasks and check them off as you go. This simple act provides a sense of accomplishment and keeps you organized. You can create separate checklists for work, home, or personal projects, making it easy to track progress in different areas of your life. You don't have to choose between digital and paper planning. Combine both if it suits you. Use digital calendars for reminders and syncing, and paper planners for brainstorming or daily lists. Find a blend that matches your lifestyle and makes planning more effective and enjoyable. Reflection is key to continuous improvement. At the end of each week, take a few minutes to review what worked and what didn't. What tasks did you enjoy? Where did you struggle? Use these insights to refine your planning routine, making it more effective and enjoyable over time. Building a new routine takes time. Don't get discouraged if you miss a week or struggle to stick with your plan at first. Progress happens gradually. Stay patient, keep practicing, and remember that every small step counts. Over time, your weekly planning routine will become second nature. Accountability can help you stick to your weekly planning routine. Share your goals with a friend or join a planning group. Regular check-ins provide support and motivation. Knowing someone else is rooting for you can make all the difference in building a lasting habit. No plan is perfect, and that's okay. Embrace the imperfections in your weekly routine. If things don't go as planned, adjust and move forward. The goal is progress, not perfection. Being flexible and forgiving with yourself makes planning more sustainable and less stressful. Let's recap the key steps. Choose your tools, set a regular planning time, reflect on the past week, define goals, break down tasks, prioritize, schedule, and review. Remember to include breaks, stay flexible, and celebrate your progress. With these steps, you'll build a weekly planning routine that supports your goals and brings more balance to your life. Now you have all the tools and tips to create your own weekly planning routine. Start small, stay consistent, and adjust as you go. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier and more fulfilling. Happy planning, and here's to a more organized and productive week ahead.